Well done.
Doors opening.
Nandito po kami ngayon sa Carinap Shopping Center and bumili lang si Dad ng earphone sa JB Hi-Fi. So antay-antay lang kami dito habang naglalaro yung bata. Tapos libot-libot kami mamaya, ikot-ikot dito sa sa mall. Ayan, patay na. Andito naman ako ngayon guys sa Big W. So bumili lang ako ng chocolate tapos hanap pa ako ng mga sleeveless para sa kay Javi. Yan.
Do you wish to print a receipt? Please take your receipt.
Dito naman kami ngayon sa Kings Park. Eternal Flame. And doon yung shrine. And then doon yung city.
What's the flower?
It's World Record. There's a minty.
So the name Live It Forever More. On this tablet are recorded the names of the men from Western Australia killed in action who died from the effects of war service Great War 1914 to 1918. Ganda ni Ate Girl. Mga historic.
Sinadjust yung...
Oo.
yung si...
What's that?
This is the body for the photo. If someone needs help.
Someone needs help. How about this one? What's this?
This is the bell.
Is that the...
If there's a fire. And this is on. This is a slide. This is a slide.
that's a slide. That's good.
So, Mommy, I forgot to call when we get into my toilet.
You forgot to close the door.
Yeah, because when we get on my toilet.
Oh, you show Mama Anay. You show Mama what are the types of cars in here. Show Mama Anay.
I have.
Can you introduce me to your cars?
That's my Chase.
That's Chase. Come here. Introduce it to me. And then?
No, I don't just sit down.
Okay, you sit down.
I have a patient.
Yeah, I'm gonna be patient. Can you introduce me to your cars, please?
Have a station.
Who's that?
On my way. On my way. I have a road.
Can you introduce me to your cars first, please? Who's this?
It's Robo.
How about this one?
That's Shay.
How about this one?
I make it a school.
How about this one?
Hi.
Sky. How about this one?
That's Rocky.
That's
The
Rocky.
other
And then
one.
this one. How about this one first?
And Roxy.
Roxy. And this one. How about this one?
That's Marshall.
And then the last one.
And that's Zuma.
Oh, wow.
I'm putting everything out.
You're putting everything out. Okay.
Yeah. And before the world is started, like a house. Before the world is started, because before the world is started, no, don't picture, not yet. Mom! Thanks. I don't want to build that. I don't want to build a house. I want to build something. I need some triangle up. I forgot the triangle. I forgot triangle. I don't want triangle. Yeah. Mom, I did it. I need to move. Put on it before it starts. Before everyone starts. Before everyone starts. The bridge. That's the bridge. No, where this goes? Where this goes? I'm going to put the bridge. This is the bridge. They ready to go. Hey, I need the bit. I need to weave it. Okay, because someone forget. I need. Why is it just not freaking? Maybe I made my good but not freaking. Someone going to park there. I don't know who's going to park inside.
Why?
Someone's not going to park inside.
Why?
Because
Doesn't fit?
It can do it. I pull it away.
What did you do?
I crashed.
What did you crash?
My road. That's my road.
Ayan, kakatapos ko lang mamlansya, guys. Ayan. At kanina, naglaba ko. And, ngayon, namlansya naman. And, ayan. Mga polo ng husband para sa work. And, konting damit ng bata. Ayan. Ito naman yung plancha namin. Na tatanggal siya. So, hindi ka matatakot na masunog yung pinaplansya mo. And then, ilalak mo lang siya ng ganyan. Alis kami, punta kami ng park, magja-jogging, mag-walking. And, yan yung bata. Alas 6 na. Mataas pa naman yung araw. And, try natin mag-exercise, mag-workout. See ya! Javi, where are you going? To the playground. Are you excited?
Yeah.
And that's Dad. Are you excited? Let's go to the playground. Oh, dyan yung bata sa likod. Hi, hi. Let's go to the playground. Let's go, family! Let's go! Kakalabas lang namin, guys. Gutom na agad siya. Kumakain na ng banana. Ayan. So, dadaan po kami doon. And, malapit na yun sa reserve. Ay! Sorry. Sorry, may ball kami dala. Okay. Oh.
Oh. Tigidig.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Ay, ay, ay. Picky back, picky back. Ah, lamig. Yan. Yan lang yung exercise namin. Dahil naka-work from home si Dad today. So, gala kami. Yay!